Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's video review, a new razor just arrived, the Parker, let me get this right, variant, adjustable, open comb, double edge, safety razor. That's a mouthful, right? Say it real quick 3 times. Here's a look at the package that it comes in. It comes in this graphite and it also comes in this satin color. Let's unbox it. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it comes with a 5-pack of Parker double edge razor blades right there. Let me open this baby up. It's the recyclable, 100% recyclable chip cardboard type paper. First, let's walk around the box. Here's the front, side, back, little background on the company, and the code name VARGROC. So that's variant open comb graphite. That's what that stands for. Let's open it up. It comes nestled snugly in this little holder right here. You can see it's locked in, top and bottom, so it's not going to fall out. There is an instruction sheet right here. Shows you how to operate the adjustment feature of the razor. Let's remove it from this cardboard. Set this off to the side. Here's a look at the razor. This is the graphite. I think it's very cool looking. It's not 100% black. It's more like an actual graphite, like just a real dark gray color. And you can see that open comb. You can really see those teeth, right? They also have a flat bar or closed comb version of this razor. We have that as well, if you want to go for that. This should be a little bit more aggressive shaving, meaning more efficient shaving. It starts off with the satin chrome up top, and then you have a nice checkered knurling on the handle, the dark gray, and then this is your adjustment dial. You have numbers from 1 to 5 with increments in between, half increments in between, and then here's the dial that you spin to open it up. This has vertical lines which are very precise, very easy to grip. Let's open it up. Spin it counterclockwise until it breaks loose. You'll know it's broken loose when the cap comes off. If the cap doesn't come off, spin it a little bit more, and then the cap will come off like so. Here's a look at it. This is the top bar. Here's a look at the underside. So here's your safety bar, open comb. You can really see those teeth. And it's a 2-piece razor. Since it comes with a 5-pack of Parker blades, let's use one. Here's what it looks like. Here's the paper wrapper. And here is the blade itself. You can probably see, got some really good camera view going on today. Been working on this really hard. You can see the glue buds, right? But they weren't real sticky. It came out of the paper very easily. So it has glue buds, but not the kind that are gonna really irritate you. You just drop it over the threaded post and the 2 pins like so. And then, most important thing, here's what you want to know, is there is a line on the top cap and there is a line on the bottom safety bar. See that? You can see that vertical line up there and there. They need to line up for this to function properly. If you misalign it, reverse them, it's not going to work right. Once you have it in place like so, lined up, you tighten it all the way down. And that will be your least aggressive setting, which is 1. There's a dot on the handle right here. See that dot right there? That's your adjustment dot right there. So I'm going to shave. I like to go with my beard growth. I got a couple days growth today. I like to start on the highest setting, which is 5, and then 3 for the second pass, and then 1 for the final pass. You can do that, or you can do something different, but I find that works best for me. So let's see if I can show you the actual adjustment taking place. So I have it all the way down on 1. I'm going to open it up. You can see the top cap and the safety bar opening up. Let me tighten it back down. You can see it tighten back down. Probably changes the angle a little bit too as you tighten it down more, making it more aggressive. I would really love this razor if they could make these numbers black like the graphite, so there was a contrast. They're kind of difficult to see, but I'm going with 5. I've got it lined up, the 5 on the dot, right there. So that will be the razor I'm shaving with, the graphite. Here's a look at the satin. It's full-on satin, all matching, top, underside, knurling, adjustment numbers, and then the vertical lines, all matching. On the underside of this razor, no markings, no logo on the razor. If you're unawares, Parker razors are made in India. This razor itself is a 2-piece, like I said. It's a brass frame with an electroplated finish. The specs on this razor weighs in at 4 ounces or 115 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4 inches or 102 millimeters. There's a look. You can see the blade reveal on 5. It's got some good exposure there. Should be pretty aggressive shaving. Enough talk. Let's get to the shave. I'm going to use Arco shave stick in the travel tube. You can get these at Shave Nation right there. I like these. Great for travel use. And I'm going to use the small Simpson's Trafalgar brush. T1, T2, T3. T1 is the smallest. So if you were traveling, this would be a nice little setup. We also sell the case that this fits in. Here's a look. Alexander Simpson. Sovereign synthetic fibers. There's a look at it. Nice little tight knot. Very soft on the skin. Okay, I'm going to warm up my face. We're going to apply this Arco shave soap and get to work. All right, my face is good and red. Now I will take this, remove the cap, Arco shave soap, just under the hot water, saturate it. Going to apply this like so, right to the beard. All the areas you intend on shaving. Add some water to it. You want to keep it damp, moist, so it's slippery, so it moves around easily. One more time. Mustache area. Just like that. Now you can massage that in with your fingertips, or you can use the brush to generate more lather. Under the hot water, shake out almost all the moisture, and then start swirling. You can see it starts turning white. You're generating some lather. Dab it, paint it, swirl it, a little more water. I think it's better to remove the bulk of the water so it's not flying all over the place, and then just add it back in slowly as you experience your Zen moment of lathering up. Just work it into the beard. You're going to cover all the areas you intend on shaving. Very nice. Got some good coverage there. You can figure 8. All right. Swipe. Swipe the neck. Very slippery, very slick shaving soap. Let's clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. All right, I'm going to leave the fingers wet, like so. Under the hot water, let me just verify we are lined up and we are on the setting of 5. Right there. Here we go, first pass. I expect it to be pretty aggressive on this first pass. Getting some good feedback there. Easily removing my beard. Just take it slow. This will be the most aggressive part of the shave right here. Now down the neckline. Very nice. Rinse that. You can see all that stubble. Let's rinse it. Rinses out very easily, no problem. Okay, left side, cut that sideburn. Start a little bit lower and then work your way up for your line. Then work your way down. Just the weight of the razor. This is a pretty hefty razor. Let the razor do the work. And if you have heavier beard growth, shorter strokes. And give it time to mow through. Don't go too fast. Like when you mow the lawn, if the blades are spinning and you're pushing too quickly, it doesn't have time to cut all the grass. You need to slow it down a little bit. Very nice. Rinse that. See the open comb? It does leave shaving cream because it slides through the teeth. It will leave some shaving cream behind. Mustache. Scoop under the nose. The head's a little bit thick, so you can't get perfectly directly under the nose, but get as close as you can. Flip it. Okay, let's rinse. Slight face rinse. This cream is very slick, so just leave the residual on. You can see I've got some white, a little bit of white showing. Just reapply the stick. And you also have some on your brush. If you want to, you could even take the stick and apply it into the brush like that. Work a lather up that way. But now, very easy to generate lather because the brush still has lather from the first pass built into it. Very nice. Some people don't like the smell of Arco. I'm okay with it. You know, they have some derogatory comments about it, but I think it's fine. And for the price, it's very reasonably priced. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. I'm going to turn that adjustment from 5 to 3. Now I've got it set to 3. The dot is lined up with the 3. Second pass against the grain. Less audible feedback. The bulk of the beard's already been removed and less blade reveal. Less blade gap. Backhand. See, natural for the shaving cream to slide through. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Across the mustache. Just use the corner under the nose and then lay it flat. Same way this side. Duplicate that motion. Just a little cleanup and then rinse. Very nice. Now I'm just going to take the brush. I'm just going to hit the cheeks real quick. So now I'm going to set it to 1. Just tighten it all the way and then loosen it back to the 1. which is where I'm at right now. The dot lined up with the 1. Now we're going to do a skim coat. We're going to go like this. Just find that sweet spot, not scraping, but just skim. As soon as that blade catches, that's it. This gets you baby smooth on the cheeks. Now the other side. Find that sweet spot. Rinse. A final rinse of the razor and a cold water rinse to the face. The Arco soap is pretty slick. It takes some doing to rinse it off. It really hangs in there. Okay, now take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block. While your face is still damp, remove the cap under the cold water. Just saturate it and glide that all around. Recap that, set it off to the side. Now let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Grab your aftershave. This Aloe and Vitamin E Parasso will layer up nicely over the Arco. That much in the fingertips. Massage it into the skin. Nice and cool, calming for the skin, soothing. Aloe, Vitamin E, good stuff. Here we go, take a look. Cheeks, chin, mustache area, neck, super smooth. Very smooth shave. Let's take a final look at the razor. The Parker variant, open comb, double edge, adjustable, safety razor. I don't know how I remembered all that, but I did. Graphite or satin, either one. As I said previously, here's a look at both side by side. You can go either way. Brass frame, electroplated finish. You can see the matte satin finish. You can see the teeth, making it more aggressive than the flat bar variant or the closed comb version. Very easy to grip, even with wet fingers or shaving cream laden fingers. You can still hold on to this razor. The adjustment dial, very easy to spin. Nice, thick, precise vertical lines down at the bottom. Very nice shaving razor. I got a great shave from it. As far as aggression, you can do anything you want with it. You can go 6, 3, 1. You can go 1, 3, 6. If you like the way it feels on 3, stick with 3. You know, if you shave every day, you may want to just leave it on 3 and go to town and shave that way. Find the number that suits you and stick with that. Or do it like I did. First pass 6, second pass 3, final pass 1. If you want to pick up any of these items, the razor, soap, cream, brush, any of that, Allen block, just click down below the video where it says more or show more, or maybe off to the side, it'll say more. And you can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, and it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.